Alright guys, so I'm going to do an unboxing and overview on my new BUZIO 40oz Tumbler that I just got. Do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, but let's go ahead and check it out. Been wanting to get one of these for a while now, so let's check it out. I did get the black one. Sweet. Everyone's getting these large size tumblers now, so I figured I'd join the party. Look at that. Very nice. Comes with like a cleaning device along with a straw and then a different style top for it, which is probably the one I'll use. It's gonna be between this one and this one. Not big on straws, but on this one you can actually just put this little spout up. So yeah, more than likely I'm gonna probably just swap it out for this one. Let's check it out. All right guys, so I switched it to the lid that I like, but one thing that I wanted to point out is it's cool that it has like a handle here, or if you just rather carry it from the top of it right here, you can do so as well. What's cool is it'll keep drinks cold for up to 48 hours and it'll keep drinks warm up to 24 hours. So that's how well this cup is insulated. They do come in different colors, and what's cool is that this 40 ouncer will fit in majority of car cup holders. So you don't have to worry about having like to put it on the floor or anything like that. It just fits in traditional car cup holders like that. See what's cool is you can just flip this over. You don't have to worry about it spilling. The cup is spill proof, so very nice feature on there as well. Here are the straws that it comes with, along with the straw cleaner, so that way it just stays nice and clean. If you guys are looking for a new tumbler, definitely look into this one by BUZIO. Highly recommend.